Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other technologies are helping keep a critical U.S. Air Force helicopter available for missions. HH-60G Payfawk helicopters use information from onboard sensors to inform the maintenance required based on in-flight conditions. Unfortunately, some sensors may not always provide the needed data, and when that occurs, maintainers assume the worst-case scenario. This can lead to unnecessary maintenance, which can be costly in parts, repair time, and reduced readiness. GTRI researchers, with support from the U.S. Joint Artificial Intelligence Center, have developed a way to fill those data gaps. They used a deep neural network model, along with computational fluid dynamics and data analytics, to reconstruct the missing flight condition data based on information from other aircraft sensors. The virtual sensing technologies for accelerometer reconstruction, or VSTAR, improved data for more than 270 days of Payfawk flights. That will allow the helicopters to be more available when needed, improving readiness for warfighters while avoiding premature aircraft retirement and unnecessary maintenance. The Air Force has adopted VSTAR for its fleet of Payfawk helicopters, and the approach could be applied to other aircraft, along with ground vehicles, naval vessels, and even spacecraft. In Atlanta, I'm John Toon with the Georgia Tech Research Institute.